Are you ready for the latest and greatest from Google? Well, get ready because Pixel 7a is the latest addition to the Pixel lineup. The Pixel 7a is not just any mid-ranger, it is really close to flagship level smartphone because the Pixel 7a will be the first in the A series to come with high resolution main camera of 64 megapixel, a high refresh rate display of 90 Hz and wireless charging capability of 18 watt. These features are a significant upgrade over the previous Pixel 6a which was launched a year ago. Now let's take a closer look at the specs of the Pixel 7a. The phone comes with the 6.1 inches OLED HDR display that supports full HD resolution, and it also supports an always-on display feature as well. Under the hood, the Pixel 7a run on latest Android 13 operating system and will be powered by Google Tensor G2 chipset, which is built on 5nm technology. You will also find 2.8 GHz clock speed and Mali G710 graphics as well. About RAM and storage, the phone is expected to come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Overall performance is totally similar to the Pixel 7a that was the launch in the last year. And if we move to the camera department, the Pixel 7a is expected to feature a dual camera system with a 64 megapixel primary sensor and 13 megapixel ultra wide lens as well. The camera will also support Pixel Shift, Auto HDR and Panorama as well. And about video recording, you can do 4K video recording or 60 FPS. That will support optical image stabilization, and there are very big upgrade in the camera module. On the front there is 13 megapixel selfie camera, but with selfie camera you can record only 1080p on 30 FPS. About connectivity, the Pixel 7a will support stereo speaker, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, but you will not see any infrared port, radio or 3.5mm jack. About battery, there is 4500 mAh battery that support 20 watt fast charging and 18 watt wireless charging as well. That is incredible in this price range. So this was all that was about Pixel 7a. Let us know in the comments below what you think about this device and whether you are excited about it. And at the last, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.